A mandala is basically a spiritual symbol depicting the universe and the cosmos. It is generally a geometric pattern which is represent the universe metaphorically. Mandalas are so rich in symbolism, the very act of creating the mandala is believed to be sacred. Saint mandalas are ancient art form of Tibetan Buddhism. Tibetan Buddhism has many colorful art forms like painting, Thangkas, statues, and butter sculptures. Like all the other art forms of Tibet, the Saint mandala is associated with the Buddhist culture and Buddhist philosophy. In the olden days, monks would use precious and semi-precious stones in place of color saints. However, nowadays using gemstone is not practical, so monks use dyed sand. The sand is usually very dense, so it doesn't easily scatter if there is wind or some disturbance while the mandala is being made. First, the monks draw the basic design of mandala on a flat board. When they started filling in the outline with the color sand, usually they start at the center and work outward. The mandalas start with a dot in the center which represents the primary deity of the mandala. At this dot, the image of the deity is drawn. Creating a mandala involves a lot of cooperation and the aim is to maintain harmony through the entire process. It is generally a very meditative process for monks due to the intense concentration involved. Creating a mandala involves enormous patience, perseverance, and willpower. It is painstaking work that produces breathtaking results at end. Completion of mandala can take days to even weeks, which is why it is group effort by the monks. The saint mandalas are done by skilled professionals who are always monks. These monks are trained in this art form for many years before they are allowed to create them in public. They are trained in the very basic rules of mandala design and its philosophy behind.